Attention business owners, loan agent, real estate agent and bankers. In the next 2 days, stable government is going to form, real estate is going to boom and the business are going to grow. So the problem of any business is working capital. Cash is king. You may not get money from your customer on the prescribed time, but you need to pay your suppliers, employees and utilities on time. So EMI on time. So short-term finance or a loan can enhance your business, but the loan process is quite daunting. So I am here to guide you. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and watch this video. Don't skip this video until the end. At the end of this video, you will get a takeaway, and I'm going to give you the outlines of two different loans which you can which is readily available and you can utilize immediately. So if you are a business if you are running a business in Chennai, if you require money immediately, like within 2 days or 3 days, there is an emergency, you can go for unsecured check finance. So you can get that money within 2 to 3 days or 4 days, you can get that money. So how much money you can get that? You can get from 10 lakh rupees to 25 crore rupees, depends upon your business profile. So for that, you should have a own house in Chennai, and you should have 3 years of business vintage, and you should need at least last year ITR, and you need the GST formation certificate and 6 months of GST 3RB filings, and we need a transaction of a minimum 30 lakhs per month to any amount, infinity amount. So if you have all this criteria, you may qualify for a check finance. So if you get qualified for a check finance, you will get the funds starting from 48 hours to 72 hours or within 3 or 4 days. It is possible. We have already done this. So what is the another loan which is available for you? The another loan which is available for you is an unsecured business loan. Preferably it comes from the private finance. In the check, preferably it comes from the bank and NBFC. When it comes to private finance, even you have CIBIL issues, it doesn't count. But when it comes to unsecured loan, the CIBIL is checked and it should be 700 plus, and you should have last 2 year ITR and 3 years of business vintage and 1 year bank transaction and 6 months GST 3RB and a GST formation certificate. So the bank will take 4 to 7 working days to release your money, and they will check the criteria based on your GST transaction or ITR and FOIA. There are so many programs. In that, any of the program you will be quantified. So based on that, you will get the loan. So what happens if you don't fit into the two category? There are other ways where you can fit in, okay, that can be discussed on case to case. So how to find where this will fit? I will give you the contact number on this end of this video. I hope this information which was given to you was valuable to you. So if you are not subscribed yet, still you can subscribe. It is our responsibility to grow a healthy community, so you can share the information and grow together. So contacts are very key in the financial world. I am going to give you strategies and ideas, and I have contacts to get money for you. So you can WhatsApp your name and a loan amount to this concerned mobile number 730-544-9995. My name is Vijay Kumar. You save this WhatsApp number and WhatsApp your name and the loan amount you required. I will respond to you. So in the description, I have also added how to get check finance. Go through this, you will get amazing value. Also, there are many other videos related to this in the finance. You go through this and you read this and comment on it. You will have a value, and we will build a valuable community. If you have any doubts and concerns regarding this loan, you can always WhatsApp me. I can help you, and you can do this as a permanent business. Thank you. My name is Vijay Kumar.